Computer keyboard. I'm going to create a peace symbol. For doing this, I'm open Microsoft Word, and after that I go to my computer keyboard, and there you can see this is the numlock key. I press this numlock. Now we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. I am going to press and hold this alt key. I am not removing my finger from this alt key. At the same time, now I am going to type here 9774. Okay, after typing 9774, I am simply releasing my finger from this alt key, and you can see that now we have created this symbol, the peace symbol we have created in our computer using this keyboard shortcut method. So remember, the keyboard shortcut for creating this is alt 9774. So once again, the peace symbol alt code is 9774. For more videos like this, you can subscribe. Thank you.